Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I will introduce you to a Blender add-on called Exporter add-on. But before we start, I want to clarify that this add-on is for the current version 4.1 of Blender. The Exporter add-on, as its name suggests, is an add-on that allows exporting. So how does it work? It's very easy. Select the object you want to export and press the Ctrl-Shift-E key, and there you go. You can choose the location of the object, change its name, or even export its textures. You can also see at the bottom that the add-on displays the total number of textures used in an object. When there are textures that repeat or are used multiple times in the object, the add-on will automatically display the name and the number of repetitions of the texture. For example, if I duplicate this texture, you can see it like this. But don't worry, the repeated textures will only be exported once. Sometimes, when you import models from BlenderKit, for example, and try to export the object with the add-on, the textures will appear like this. This means that the object's textures have not yet loaded data, so they cannot be exported. To fix this, simply view the unloaded textures in the image editor, and there you go, you can now export them. You can download the add-on on Blender Market. I have put the link in the video description, and I hope you will enjoy it and that it will help you with your projects. Thank you for watching until the end, and I will see you soon for new videos.